Hello everyone, welcome to our golden anniversary, Batch 75, Holy Angels Academy, Pandibulacan. Okay, here we are. We're celebrating our golden here at Villa Candida. And today, ang araw na ito ay napaka-symbolic. No? It's very significant kasi 50 golden is not a joke. No? After 5 decades, nagkita-kitang muli ang Batch 75. Could you imagine that? 50 years in the making. At talaga namang surprising and exciting ang reunion na ito. At masaya ang lahat. I can feel the atmosphere, the environment here. Masaya at sabik ang isa't isa na magkita-kita and magkamustahan. And this is it. After a very, very long time, at sana itong mga ganitong gathering ay magpatuloy sa Batch 75. I'm hoping and praying na this would be the start of a beautiful journey for everyone. Kasi at this age, alam natin na we're all free and we have to live it free, no? Wala na tayong dahilan para tayo ay busy or magpatuloy sa ating mga kabisihan. No? So, every time na meron tayong reunion, so go for it. No? Ito yung masaya, yung after all those hardship, after those years of struggles and difficulties, everything, here we are. We're happy to meet each other. Hello, Marites. Welcome back. Okay, nice to see you, everyone. Lahat kayo ay naging bahagi ng ating high school events. And it's very amazing. Makita mo yung mga kaklase mo. No? And today, nandito kaming lahat upang magsama-sama, kwentuhan, kainan, tawanan, and it is the most exciting part. And it's inspiring maging bahagi tayo ng celebration na ito. And there are plenty of foods. Yeah. And everyone is busy. Okay. Nakakapanibago itong mga kaklase natin. Although nandun yung ng kanilang mga resemblance ng kanilang mga pace, there's a big changes after all. So they're preparing I think for the certificate. Nandito rin ang ating mga guro na siyang humubog at lumilok ng ating karunungan. And, thank you.
Julie Anastasio. Yeah.
Sino nga yan?
Willie Bonifacio.
Presidente namin. Hello.
Kilala mo pa ako?
Of course, Lito, Carlito.
Oh, yeah, okay.
You're my buddy.
Yeah, okay.
You used to be.
Yeah. Nagkano ka na?
Nag-sign.
Ito yung maganda sa reunion after all those years. Masaya kayo nagkita-kita and excited to talk to each other. At maraming nagaganap dito na kasiyahan, games and everything. At yeah, it's good to see everyone na nakangiti, nakikiisa sa ating celebration. Sabi nga nila, I remember yung isang ating guro na nagsalita na our reunion is ay hindi paligsahan. This is not a competition. This is not for our status. And the most important thing of this reunion is reconnection, connection to each other. Yun ang importante na magka-connect ang mga dating kakaklase sa ganitong celebration. And I'm happy. I for one with witnessing this happy event. And I'm glad to see everyone. Tutuwa ako na dito ang marami nating kaklase, although meron pa rin hindi naka-attend. Well, maybe sa susunod nakaka-attend na sila. And I just want to tell you, my dear classmates, na sana sa mga susunod, don't hesitate to for the invitation to come. Masaya ang ganito, relaxing, and nakaka-amaze. Bakit ko yung mga dati mong kaklase. And this thing is really nakakabigay nakakapag-boost ng ating sarili to motivate each other in doing this thing again and again. At masaksihan natin ang bawat isa because alam naman natin na our journey is in the nasasabi natin this is the last journey that we have, the last race that we have, senior adult, and no guarantee for everyone. So na kayo, sama-sama lang tayong magsaya sa reunion ng Batch 75. Maging masaya na lang tayo, maging positibo tayo, maging optimistic tayo sa lahat ng bagay. And this will help everyone to ease our mind, to relax, and to go back again where we belong. This is the most important thing. Sa aking mga classmates, God bless everyone, and be always a part of this celebration whenever there is. Makiisa tayo mga kaklase. Makiisa tayo sa gawain ito, at nang matunghayan natin palagi masasayang alaala. And to add, lahat ng bagay na ito iwanan lang din naman natin, at ang matitira na lang ay ang larawan ng ating mga memories, ng ating alaala, at magsisilbing gabay ang magandang alang-ala ito sa ating buhay. So this is it. everyone. Alam ko na nag-enjoy ang lahat. And ako mismo nag-enjoy din sa aking ginagawa because nasaksihan ko ang ating golden anniversary, and I am happy to be a part of this. Thank you everyone. Thank you classmates. And hoping to see the other classmates the next reunion. Ulitin natin na maka-attend tayo every reunion. At ito yung magiging baten sa lakas natin na magkabuo-buo muli tayong lahat and enjoy every piece of it, the laughter, the smile, everything. I love it. We love it. Okay. Till the next year, and see you, everyone.